Hello. Remember we've talked about stopping the spread of germs? How else do you think we can stop it? Oh, Karina isn't feeling well. She's done the right thing and asked her parents to keep her at home. Rest will make her better quicker. Plus, you won't be spreading those germs around the playground. See you tomorrow.